Plants can be categorized into various groups based on their characteristics, such as their growth habits, size, and reproductive structures. Here are some common categories of plants. Climbers, herbs, shrubs, trees, ferns, succulents, aquatic plants, grasses, mosses. Climbers are plants that have stems that are soft and fragile, requiring support to remain upright. These are plants that climb up other plants or structures for support. Climbers may have specialized structures like tendrils or clinging roots to help them climb. Examples of climbers include clematis, wisteria, morning glory, honeysuckle, passion flower, jasmine, climbing hydrangea, kiwi vine, bougainvillea. Herbs are plants that people use for food or medicine. They usually have soft stems that are not woody and may be green or brown. Some herbs are small, but others can grow quite large. Depending on the type of herb, it may come back year after year. These are called perennials, or grow for just 1 or 2 years. These are called annuals or biennials. Examples of herbs include basil, parsley, grapes, bitter gourd, rosemary, sage, mint, coriander and chamomile. Shrubs are woody plants that are smaller than trees and have multiple stems arising from the base. Shrubs come in a variety of sizes and may be either evergreen or deciduous leaf shedding seasonally. They can range from just a few inches tall to several feet in height. Some examples of shrubs include roses, lilacs, marigold and boxwoods. Trees are woody plants that typically have a single, tall stem, called a trunk, and a crown of branches at the top. Trees can grow to be very tall and live for many years, and may be deciduous leaf shedding seasonally, or evergreen. Examples of trees include apple, guava, mango, maple, and pine. Ferns are non-flowering plants that reproduce via spores rather than seeds. These plants are commonly characterized by their large, divided leaves known as fronds, and they can be found in various habitats, natural environments. Examples of ferns include maidenhair ferns, royal ferns, and bird's nest ferns. Succulents are plants that have thick, fleshy leaves or stems that can store water. These plants are adapted to arid environments and can survive long periods of drought. Examples of succulents include cacti, agave, and aloe vera. Aquatic plants are plants that grow in or around water. They may be fully submerged, partially submerged, or floating on the surface of the water. Examples of aquatic plants include water lilies, duckweed, and water hyacinth. Grasses are plants with narrow leaves and a fibrous root system. They serve as a lawn, ground cover or a feed for many creatures. Examples of grasses include wheat, corn, and bamboo. Mosses are non-flowering plants that grow in wet or shady environments. They reproduce via spores and do not have true roots, stems, or leaves. Examples of mosses include sphagnum moss and haircap moss. It is estimated that there are around 3 lakh known species of plants on Earth, with thousands more being identified each year. This number includes everything from tiny mosses to towering trees, as well as a wide variety of flowering plants, ferns, algae, and more. Preserving and planting plants are both important for the survival of living organisms. By preserving plant species, we can maintain a healthy and diverse ecosystem that provides oxygen, absorbs carbon dioxide, and serves as a source of food and habitat for many species.